Can you have multiple gateways integrated into one merchant account? Well, the answer is yes. Yes, you can. And in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of reasons why you would actually need more than one gateway with your single merchant account. And I'll show you the hierarchy of how the reporting works when you connect two or more gateways to one merchant account. First off, if you don't know exactly what a payment gateway is, click the link right here to watch the What is a Payment Gateway video, where I explain in detail the difference between a merchant account, a payment gateway, and a virtual terminal. And here's a little spoiler, they're all different, so you need to know how each of them work. If you already know what a payment gateway is and you're ready to expand the ways that you're currently using it with your merchant account, then back to the question of the day. So as I mentioned, you can have multiple payment gateways integrated into one merchant account, and it's pretty simple to add a second one, so you just sign up for the gateway and connect it to your merchant account. And if you're ready to do that, click the links in the description, then I'll help you out. So now that you know that it's possible, what are the reasons that you would want more than one gateway? Well, the main reason is very simply because of software integration requirements. In other words, you're using a certain software that only integrates with one particular gateway, and you have to choose one of those gateways from their list if you want to keep using that software. This happens all the time with CRM systems and email software, restaurant point of sale systems, and e-commerce software, so it's very common. So on that note, let's take an example and let me explain with an exact situation that a client of mine had where it required two payment gateways. So it starts with a CardConnect merchant account in this scenario and the use of the CardPointe platform and a lot of the digital software tools that automatically come with CardPointe. And here's what it looked like. In this case, he was using the CardPointe virtual terminal, CardPointe billing plans, the CardPointe reporting dashboard, the mobile app for the occasional check-in and reporting, SimplyPay for invoicing, which is a separate software that connects to the CardPointe gateway, and then the CardPointe hosted payment page, which is also connected to the CardPointe gateway. With this system, he was using the CardPointe virtual terminal to run transactions from customers that he had invoiced, and this was in a card not present environment, by the way. So he would invoice his customers via email, and then he gave them a couple of payment options, either through invoice links with SimplyPay or the CardPointe hosted payment page. So he was really used to the system and he liked the process. Then there was an opportunity for his company to become a direct supplier for a national company that required integration into a custom software where direct payment to him was part of the process. It was part of the software. Now, the problem at first glance is that CardPointe was not one of the listed gateways with this custom software, and here's of course where the second payment gateway enters the picture. So he set up an Authorized.net account as an add-on to everything that he already had with CardPointe, and he was still able to use his CardPointe gateway and all the services that come with it that I outlined before. So problem solved with the addition of a second payment gateway integration to his single merchant account. So here's the hierarchy and the relationship between the two payment gateways and everything that he has set up. Since he was using CardPointe for all reporting, all transactions that come through to his CardConnect merchant account show up in the reporting tab on the CardPointe dashboard. So all of these services flow through to CardPointe reporting, the virtual terminal, the billing plans, the mobile app, all of that goes through to the CardPointe reporting dashboard, and Authorized.net is over here in a parallel hierarchy to CardPointe virtual terminal and gateway and all the other services, and that custom software is talking exclusively with Authorized.net. So because of this, there was not much need for him to ever log into Authorized.net gateway, the account interface that is, because everything flows through to CardConnect and shows up in the reporting dashboard within CardPointe. And again, that's because CardPointe has a built-in reporting feature that pulls all data that comes into the CardConnect merchant account and shows up in the CardPointe reporting tab. Now, what if this whole situation happens again and you need another integration with a custom software? Can you add a third payment gateway? And again, the answer to that is yes, it could be done. You just add it over here, again, in a parallel hierarchy to Authorized.net and CardPointe in this example. So this additional gateway will work in the same relationship to the other two. And as long as you have one central reporting system that's connected to your merchant account, there's no need, again, to get into the reporting dashboard of that third payment gateway. It's also worth mentioning that the use of one payment gateway with multiple merchant accounts is also possible. So instead of having multiple payment gateways linked to one merchant account, you can use multiple merchant accounts linked to one payment gateway. It's called load balancing, and it's possible with specific gateways and is a topic for another video, and I'll have that linked in the description. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for watching. Please share this video with a friend or colleague and give this video a thumbs up. If you have questions about the payment gateway that you're using, leave a comment below, and finally be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos when they're posted. I publish tutorial style trainings like this one, how-to videos and informational videos that are on the topics of payment pages, merchant accounts, tech software, and payment workflows that tie all of those things together. I'm Brian Manning, and I'll see you next time.